If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen, and don't be surprised because I'm not Tanya. So my name is Mayank and she brought me to the channel because I love cooking today I'm gonna show you a very basic recipe of green peppers and potatoes. But before I go into the ingredients, don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Give as many subscribes and likes to her channel as you can. So let's get started with the ingredients right here. So all I have got here is some green pepper, also called capsicum in India, some potatoes, tomato, cilantro, onion. And as far as the spices are concerned, I'm going to use very basic spices. That is coriander powder, garam masala, salt, turmeric, red chili, and some cumin. One more thing that I'm going to show you during the cooking of this recipe is the chickpea flour. So I'm going to basically use 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour in addition to all the ingredients that you see here, okay? So, and don't worry about this, because when this video is going to be out, you are going to find the link in the description box, description box, which you can click and you can view, you can print, you can save the recipe if you're not being able to follow the video. So let's get started cooking. Ready. So the pan is heated. I'm gonna drizzle some oil in it, and this is vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or whatever oil you like. Let's wait for the oil to heat up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some cumin seeds. Okay, so I think this is heated up. I'm gonna use a little bit of cumin. You will start smelling the cumin once it's done. Like, you can see a little roast coming up on the cumin, and your kitchen will start smelling delicious already with just one ingredient in. Looks like it is done a little bit, and so I'm gonna just drop all my onions in there. I'm gonna saute the onion for like roughly a minute. As I said, this recipe is very plain and simple, so it's not full of spices. You can just use it in your daily cooking, and it is very delicious. The only reason I'm adding some chickpea flour and is to just increase a little bit of protein content in the diet, and rest of the starch is coming from potatoes, and your capsicum are your antioxidants, and they are like all water. So there goes your healthy recipe. That's why I'm not gonna like saute everything too much. Next, I'm gonna add some cilantro in it. Don't be surprised that I'm not using it to like chop, because when I add cilantro to the oil, it adds a lot of aroma and flavor to the whole thing. So the whole kitchen is already smelling like cilantro now. Okay, I think I gave just 30 seconds with the cilantro and onion more, and then everything just goes in. So I'm gonna add the veggies first, and then the tomatoes. And I'm gonna simmer the heat at medium or even low. Mix everything up real nice. Haven't added a single spice, and it's already tasting so good. Like, not tasting, my bad. It's already smelling so good. So here I'm taking 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit more, so you can add according to your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of, actually 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and then 1 teaspoon of paprika. So that all goes in. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. So capsicum releases a lot of water, so I don't want to add a lot of water in there. And I'm just gonna mix this all up real nice. And you can see how it looks already. So now I'm gonna just simmer it and cook it while covered. So, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks once it's cooked for like 7 to 8 minutes with covered. Okay, so let's take a peek. Okay, so I'm just gonna check, and my potatoes don't look good. So now this is chickpea flour. I'm gonna add little at a time. I've taken some extra. I'm not gonna use all of it. So always add a little at a time so that you mix it well. So mix it well. You can sift the flour before. I haven't, so I'm trying to just take away all the whatever you call it, like lumps of it. So I'm trying to take all of that away with this. I'm gonna add some more with hands so I can crush it. Mix it well. Mix it nicely, and this is it. So I'm just gonna cook it for like a minute so that the chickpea flour is cooked well and you don't get any kind of rawness from the chickpea flour. And I'm gonna just so that will take around a minute, I would guess, and then I'm just gonna serve it, and this is ready. Okay, so moment of truth. Here it is, and you can see how delicious it looks. Now you will see this crumbliness. This is all because of the chickpea flour. It's like really nice and crisp. So let's dig in and see how it really came out. It's gonna be very hard. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be like just because I cooked it, it's really nice. It is really nice. So this is very delicious, and the chickpea flour gives it so much more crisp. And the spices are absolutely right. You can reduce or add more, whatever, however you feel, whatever your taste is. So, but do try this recipe and let us know in the comments that if there is another way that you like to cook your green peppers, let us know and we will feature it for you. So give us a like, subscribe, and show a lot of love to this channel. And we see you in another recipe.